Morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic. And what do I got here in my shed today? Kawasaki Z750 from 2004. Really nice bike, but it needs some love. We're gonna do a full maintenance. So let's get the bike ready. Come on over and we start. Okay, nice. This one lower. Okay. Now guys, I'm going to show you how you can check your ball bearings of your steering stem. So the two bearings that are in here and in there. We have to lift the bike off the ground. So luckily, yeah, I have a winch. Okay, there he goes. Okay, then you have to turn the wheel and feel if there is any notch in the middle. And this one is absolutely perfect. Then you grab your front forks over here and start wiggling it. What we hear is that noise, but I don't feel any play, and it goes, oh, supersonic smooth. So these bearings are in top condition, no problem. Now we lower the bike. Okay. This is my tool. This one. Okay. Oh, oops. Hang it over here. Job done. Okay. Tools out of the way. Up. Here. Perfect. Now we wait for the parts.